In this video, we'll start to explore how you can calculate the total sum value using the sum function, or better known as the sigma. So let me show you exactly how. Let's look at our situation here. We have here a list of values, and we have our products. We know how many has been sold, and we know the total or the price per product. And what we want to calculate is the total amount here. So we have here a total, and we want to figure out how many we sold. And basically there are a few ways to do it, and I'm going to show you each way. But the first one would be the very easiest way, but it will take us the most longest, is to type in equal and select, click plus, and here again select, plus, select, plus, select, plus, select, and you keep on doing this until the end. Enter. So this is the total amount of sales we have. However, there are easier ways to do it, and this is the sum function. So we type in equal, we type in sum, open parentheses, and then select all the values you want here, as you can see. Once we did that, close parentheses, enter, and there you are. You will see now you get the value of 72 as well. Another option is basically here the sigma button. You just select this. Automatically it starts to suggest something, and it shows you also the sum formula or the sum function. And we can do it then from here on is just to select this, enter, and there you are. With this you can easily calculate the total amount, and we highly recommend you to use the sum function. So if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, just post them down below in the comments.